Hey, I have an idea. What if we sell everything and start traveling?
Are you bloody bonkers? You want us to sell all of our possessions in Chicago, sell our businesses, give up everything that we own, to hit the road?
I'm not bloody bonkers. I think we should do it, and I think we should film it.
Well, and if we are to do this, we're gonna have to show like our good times and our bad times. Otherwise, it would just be a load of bollocks, right?
So join us on Two Broads Abroad for the good, the bad,
And the bollocks.